Today with In St Aug with Q, we're going to go to Nocatee. Nocatee is in Ponte Vedra, but that is part of St. Johns County. When I first moved here, there was no way to get there. You had to go through this part here, which is called the Canopy of Trees. This connected the World Golf Village over to US 1, and then you would go over and head to Nocatee Parkway. The realtors, I remember them calling us up, and there was one house that was there when Nocatee first opened. They have a beautiful town center. It has stores, shopping, different restaurants. There's your basic Publix, and then there's also the Publix Greenwise. Nocatee is made up of multiple neighborhoods, and those neighbors get to enjoy their beautiful community center. There's a water park with a lazy river, a splash park for the kiddies, their own poolside bar and grill. Every third Saturday of the month, Nocatee is open to the public for their farmers market.
I am Sebastian.
And you baked it all yourself?
Yeah.
Very
Everything
nice.
here is hand-baked, and my partner Lauren hand-bakes those as well.
Yeah, and we got some brownies. Thank you.
Of course. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mia.
Have a great day.
You too.
He's making it over there.
I know.
He's gonna make it more. He's in there. Oh my God, look at him, Joe.
We had such a fun time today at Nocatee's Farmers Market. Don't you just love living in St. Augustine? We got to go and get a big pretzel over at Publix Greenwise, and that fresh popped caramel corn, and of course that delicious brownie that Sebastian made. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye now.